Welcome back to another video, people. I'm here going to like an update pan my melon. Look panny green and look good in. I'm if you tell about it. I can't wait for the melon get big. So the melon now it start creep out of the container. I'm showing you what I go on. You see? You're ready for run out the well yard and you know. But the place kinda stony. So I have to use some grass. So when the stone them get hot, it won't affect the vine of the melon. Yeah, that's a go on. Can't wait for you get big when we can pick 2 melon. I know them are go sweet. Look how green and nice. I know them are go big too. Me have high hopes too. So if you don't see the first video that I did, you can go look in the cards and you will see it. And if you want to plant something that you love, a fruit that you love, you can also plant it in the container as well, because it is very easy. Because I transplanted it from a next container and put it in this one. So, and look at it now. All you have to do, make sure so you water it every other day and make sure everything are going with it, because you know an insect will bite up the leaf and such forth. So you have to make sure say you know just plant it and leave it like that. You do a little daily check up on it and make sure say it are going with itself. And that are going. So I hope you guys like this little update on it. And you know when it bear, you know I go see it. Because I want to show off how my melon big and juicy and sweet. So people, for all those who would try this, try planting the watermelon. You cannot plant it in shaded area. You have to plant it where it's getting a lot of sun. Zine, because melon do well in the sun. So if you have it in mind to go ahead and give it a try, just bear in mind that. And you don't give it too much water either. You have to just know to give it the right amount, because if you water it too much, it's still not good for it. You see how this is moist? It is not wet, you know, soak of the water, because me just water it, you know, and look at this. It still have little dryness to it, even though it is water. So this is how you want it to be. You don't want it to be too wet, because it is not good for the melon. So that's it. That is it. And I hope you guys will try it. For all those who like watermelon. If you don't like watermelon, you can plant something else of your choice. Bless up. Melon pretty bad, me not lie. You bet me feel like I want to plant out the whole backyard of fruits. And me could tell you, me never know say you feel good when you plant something in your seed grow. No, me never know say you feel good. No, me know the feel good feeling. Me have to go do this again.